We don't have any issues. Sit down, man. That was 5 years ago. We've grown past that.
You're obsessed, Jesus.
You get
Girl, get out. Just get out.
Make a point. Always setting a trap for people to react. Fucking dumb rats.
I'm not being any victim now.
Shut your trap. Stop talking.
I want to fucking break something.
I don't know what is provocation, but at this point, these housemates are moving fucking mad.
I don't need to rest. I can't go there where I'm in the garden with you. Your energy is like a black sucking vortex. Calm down.
I will come. That's nothing. You do not fucking want to touch me, okay?
I won't touch you here.
No problem. You can touch me outside. You can touch me outside. No, touch me outside.
I believe that the first few weeks in this house was devilish.
Hey! Thank you!
I just need to breathe.
And I hate to feel alone because sometimes I just want to be like very strong.
If indeed you are actually leaving, where are you going to spend your money point coins?
I'll give it to the devil. At least the devil did not nominate me.
Don't let me face you. You are the evil person, Pero. Your heart is very dark. Your heart is very dark. At this age, your heart is wicked. Very wicked.
I don't hear you when you speak.
It wasn't the
I said
Who the fuck are you?
I don't hear you when you speak.
Ass,
I said,
man.
when God do something, and everybody say tomorrow. It's all of us. Let's go do these things. I've been outside there waiting for you guys. Say you're sleeping, and you guys are not even sleeping.
I don't want to lose weight, and they say let's go.
It's your first wage, and you guys are not even being serious.
It should not be you, of all people, trying to make a sly opposing point to me. Okay, I'm talking to you.
You're a cheap slut. You just touch me.
Fuck you, get out, fuck you, Dory.
Big brother, can you see her? Big brother, can you see her?
Sit down.
I've been sitting since and nothing's happening. Fuck! You make me raise my voice.
He should learn respect because he doesn't even for 1 second deserve respect.
Your father is a coward.
Your papa, your mama, your grandfather is a
Carry
coward.
your yam legs and get out.
You cannot even have yam legs. You cannot even have it.
Oh,
why did you tell me yes?
See how you shot. As you shot, your sense shot.
You talk, but
As
you
you
don't get
sense, your
You talk, but you don't see your sense issues like my own.
I have a problem with the bastard that his parents failed. As parents, I said my parents failed because my parents raised a very good child. And that person, you will always remain behind my back because she never said it to my face. Stupid ass bitch.
I feel like in this house, I can't even be me because then I feel like people misunderstand me. And it's upsetting me. Sweet baby Jesus, Lord, help me.
Benita, you're manipulating.
Exactly.
I'm not doing
I
that.
respect her too much for this.
Touch it.
The money now. Do something.
Touch it. Touch it now, okay?
Let me finish blessing.
Touch it.
Fuck this shit, man. Fuck this house. Nobody here they hungry. So when you talk with respect. But it's personal, I'm telling you.
If you want to play with your enemy, play with your enemy. Don't play with boss where they on you, no. I'll beat you for here, beat you outside.
Who is a bitch? You are if you are a bitch, I wasn't even referring to you, but you are a bitch. You are a bitch. You are a bitch. You have 2 daughters. You should behave like a mother. Behave like a mother. Behave like a mother. You are a big fool.
I've come here. Catch your fucking strike, stupid bitch. Catch your fucking strike.
Sit down. Sit down.
That's it. You carry your madness for your place.
I was sleeping yesterday.
You can
and
listen
the
to
sun was
the music
disturbing me.
and
I didn't
alone
even come to meet you and say, okay, turn up the music. Because of this me. Don't do this, my man. You have been respected. I've been seeing your attitude.
Stop that.
Don't do this.
You see this
Which one is my, which one is my
Don't play with me.
You're fucking crazy.
Fool.
You're fucking crazy.
Are you a bitch?
You're a fucking bitch.
Ass nigga.
You're a fucking bitch. Now you know.
Bitch ass nigga.
Now you know. You're a fucking bitch.
They just cheap and started to your babe there outside. And they're calling me names and you know for a fact that
This should be the fucking last time. Are you hearing me? The fucking last time.
Hit me. Hit me. Over something that you said.
No. Hold on. Give me alone.
Parents.
Leave me.
You're doing shake for. I will run up to you, bro. Fucking square up. If you cannot communicate effectively, that is on you, not me. Rubbish.
The only reason Benita is staying in this house is because she's in a ship with that boy.
If she was standing alone, this I should be out of this game a long time ago because she brings nothing but negativity and toxicity to the show.
Fucking if you get the one that cleans something and would not even come and clean it.
I clean it because
why would you come and do something like that?
Do it in a sexy way and I'll leave it.
Yeah.